Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. We're continuing our look at the best performance mods for American trucks in 2025. Let's jump right into some more upgrades that can really transform your ride. Suspension and handling upgrades. Your truck's suspension isn't just what keeps it comfortable on the road, it's the backbone of how well it performs. Whether you're crawling through rocky trails or hauling a load down the highway, a solid suspension setup can make all the difference. By upgrading key suspension components, you'll gain greater control, a smoother ride, and even safer handling. Let's look at some of the best ways to elevate your truck's suspension system. Lift kits for off-roading. If you're serious about hitting the trails, a lift kit is almost a no-brainer. Not only do lift kits give your truck a more commanding stance, but they also provide vital ground clearance for tackling rough terrain. Rocks, mud, and steep inclines? No problem. Here's why lift kits are popular for off-road enthusiasts. Better clearance. With your chassis raised, you're less likely to damage vital components like the oil pan or drivetrain when off-roading. Larger tires. Lift kits allow for bigger, more aggressive tires, which improves traction in mud, snow, and soft ground. Enhanced approach angles. A lifted truck can climb or descend steep obstacles more easily, making it perfect for rugged backcountry adventures. But it's not just about off-road performance. A lift kit can also make your truck stand out visually, giving it a bold, aggressive look that gets noticed on and off the trail. Just be sure to align your upgrades with your goals. Some lift kits focus on aesthetics, while others cater to serious off-road capability. Upgraded shocks and struts. Your shocks and struts are the unsung heroes of your suspension system. They control the motion of your truck's springs, ensuring your ride stays smooth and stable even over uneven ground. Upgrading to high-quality shocks and struts can take your comfort and handling to the next level. Why make the switch? Improved stability. Better shocks reduce body roll during cornering and sudden maneuvers, giving you more confidence behind the wheel. Enhanced comfort. High-performance shocks absorb bumps and vibrations more effectively, so you can tackle rough roads without feeling every jolt. Greater longevity. Aftermarket shocks are often more durable than stock options, making them better suited to heavy-duty use and extreme conditions. If you haul or tow often, upgraded shocks are especially important. They help maintain balance and control, even under load, so your truck feels planted no matter what you're carrying. Performance springs and anti-roll bars. When it comes to suspension upgrades that improve handling, performance springs and anti-roll bars, also called sway bars, are hard to beat. These modifications work together to keep your truck's ride both firm and responsive, especially during high-speed cornering or sudden changes in direction. Here's how they work. Performance springs. Lowering springs or stiffer coil springs reduce your truck's center of gravity. This limits body roll during sharp turns and improves overall balance for better road-holding ability. Anti-roll bars. A thicker or upgraded sway bar ties your truck's suspension together more tightly, reducing body lean in corners. This makes the truck feel more agile and safer at higher speeds. These upgrades aren't just for street performance, they're valuable for daily driving too. Whether you're merging onto the highway or avoiding a pothole, the added stability and control can make a big difference. By combining improved springs, anti-roll bars, and quality shocks, you'll get a suspension setup that's dialed in for anything you throw at it. Whether that's carving through tight corners or surviving a washboard dirt road. Ready to give your truck a suspension system that can handle almost anything? From better off-road capability to smoother highway cruising, these upgrades are practical investments that deliver immediate results. Boosting braking performance. When you're pushing your truck's performance to the limit, having a reliable braking system isn't just important, it's essential. Whether you're speeding down the highway or hauling a heavy trailer, The ability to stop on a dime can be the difference between a close call and a costly repair. Upgrading your truck's brakes not only improves safety but also enhances control and stopping power. Let's look at 2 tried and true ways to boost braking performance. Performance brake pads and rotors. Standard brake pads and rotors are fine for everyday driving, but they often struggle to keep up with the demands of high-performance trucks. Enter performance brake pads and rotors, upgrades that are specifically engineered to handle more heat, friction, and stress. Why do they matter? Performance brake pads are made from advanced materials like carbon ceramic or semi-metallic compounds. These materials provide better heat resistance and more aggressive stopping power. You'll notice shorter stopping distances and better responsiveness, even at higher speeds or when towing a trailer. Rotors, on the other hand, play a key role in dissipating heat. High-performance rotors often feature designs like slotted or drilled surfaces that improve cooling and reduce the risk of brake fade. Brake fade happens when your brakes overheat, causing them to lose their effectiveness. For trucks that tow, haul, or work hard, that's something you can't afford. Key benefits of upgrading brake pads and rotors. Improved stopping distances, even with heavy loads. Greater heat tolerance for consistent braking during demanding conditions. Enhanced durability, meaning fewer replacements over time. These upgrades work seamlessly together to provide a noticeable improvement in your truck's braking performance. If you've ever felt your brakes struggle on a steep downhill or after repeated stops, this is your solution. Big brake kits. If you're serious about taking your braking system to the next level, a big brake kit is the way to go. These kits include larger rotors, more powerful calipers, and high-performance pads, all designed to give you superior stopping power. Big brake kits are especially popular for trucks that tow heavy trailers or carry large payloads. The extra surface area on the rotors provides more braking force, and the larger calipers have more pistons to apply even pressure to the pads. This results in more efficient braking performance and a safer, more controlled stop. These kits are often paired with performance suspension mods to give you an overall more balanced and capable truck. Ready to enhance your stopping power? With upgraded brake pads, rotors, and big brake kits, your truck will not only perform better, it'll be safer and more reliable too. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.